Hello at the Caribe Royale. Hello there. This, I think, is just a standard 2-queen room. It has a desk to work. It has a couch that pulls out. We did check that. It has a Sophie on the couch. Sophie on the sofa. We have a TV right here by the couch. There is a water cooler, fridge. There's a little seat. Put your shoes on. A Keurig maker. Oh, there's a microwave and an ice bucket. And then there's a door that closes to a second part of the room. We have the vanity is outside the bathroom. Which is nice when you have somebody who wants to get ready and takes a while. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. And it has a rainfall shower head and a handheld Osprey purple water gel conditioner shampoo. A foot thing to shave your legs. Where you do your business. Closet? What do you do in there? It's a closet. An iron.
To put your suitcase.
Yep, and a safe and an ironing board. Like I said, this had 2 queen beds. Another workstation right here. Drawer space.
Pretty deep.
Yep, pretty deep. Another TV in the bedroom area. There are plenty of plugs and USB ports. There's one there. There's one over there. And then I did see one in the front room too.
I like the mural.
We have a pretty Florida cranes mural. And then this doesn't have a balcony or anything like that. But it's a nice view of the parking lot. But you can't actually see some of Disney.
Yeah, I see the
off.
Epcot
See if I
ball.
can zoom in on that. There's the Epcot ball and or Spaceship Earth as it's known.
Right.
Cirque du Soleil buildings of Disney Springs is right over there. Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom is probably just beyond that hotel. So it was a lot of stuff when we were driving up here, but it is pretty trafficy. It's spring break time, so that is the room where we'll be staying for the next couple nights for Tiki A Go Go.
Lovely.